Hi, welcome to the Greater Baton Rouge Skinny, brought to you by the Greater Baton Rouge Association of Realtors, sponsored by Union Home Mortgage. In 2019, home prices were up again in most markets. Buyer demand continues to be strong, but with tepid seller activity still in many locations, total sales are lower than they would normally be in a more balanced market. While up from their recent lows a few months ago, mortgage rates end the year close to 0.75% lower than a year ago, helping to improve affordability and offset rising home prices. Pending sales increased 11.3% from the fourth quarter of 2018 to 2,292 for the quarter. Closed sales increased 9.1% from the fourth quarter of 2018 to 2,497 for the quarter. Sales continued to rise in year-over-year comparisons, even as inventory continues to shrink and the market goes on its winter break. Inventory levels market-wide decreased 3.3% to 4,088 units. More listings and more new home builds are anticipated in 2020, but it remains to be seen if the increases can help several years of decline. Prices were up compared to last year at this time. The median sales price increased 3.6% to $207,450. Price increases have been the norm this year, and that is not expected to change in 2020. Buyer demand remains high, and economic indicators that predict buying activity are largely positive. Month supply of inventory was down 8.3% to 4.4 months. Percent of list price received at sale rose to 97.8% since last year. With low mortgage rates, low unemployment, and continued wage growth, home buyer activity is expected to remain healthy into the new year. New construction has been on the rise in 2019 and is expected to continue into 2020, but many experts note that the country is still not building enough new units to quench demand. It remains to be seen whether existing homeowners will be enticed to sell by higher home prices, which could finally bring the overall housing market into greater balance. That's the Greater Baton Rouge Skinny for this quarter. Check back next quarter for the latest.